you ever hit record and thought, oh, wait, what was I going to say again? Or you start talking and you feel like you're waffling or going round in circles? Well, you're not alone. More or less every new YouTuber goes through this, especially when you're not used to filming. So today I'm going to share some simple beginner-friendly tips to help you feel more confident when speaking on camera. So tip number 1, plan lightly. So you don't need a full script, but having a loose structure can help you. Now, those of you who have seen some of my other videos know that I'm a big advocate of bullet points. So in your bullet points, you would have your hook, where you grab attention, your point or points that you're going to raise in your video or speak about in your video, your support, so I'm going to share tips or an example of something, and your wrap up, so your call to action or your summary. So even jotting down just 3 bullet points before starting filming can help you feel more focused and less rambly. Tip number 2, if you freeze, reset. So if your mind goes blank, just pause and breathe, because you can always redo that line. No one is going to see the bits you cut out. And sometimes if you make a mistake, then it sometimes helps to just say a silly line, something like, right, where was I? Or, right, let's do this bit again. Because that can reset your brain and it can stop you from panicking. Tip number 3, talk to just one person. So instead of thinking, oh, I'm filming a YouTube video, loads of people are going to see this. Try thinking, oh, I'm talking to one person who needs to hear this, who needs this tip or piece of advice, and they need to hear it from me. Just one person. So picture that person. It could be somebody you care about, could be your best friend, and you're just talking to them. By doing this, your tone will change and you will sound warmer, clearer, and more like you. So remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up with the message. Start small, use bullet points, and take breaks. And most importantly, be kind to yourself when you're learning. Let me know what helps you stay focused when you're filming. Or are you still figuring it out? I'd love to hear in the comments. And if you found these tips helpful, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. Especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you. And I'll see you in the next one.